days. 40 days video. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, are you ready?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Cebu. Hi guys. Hi guys. Wow. Circle sa left.
Saan siya?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Story. Napot siya yung wireless mic.
Wow.
Ato.
Mag-vlog na siya. Okay, Kwanta, let's do what's in my bag. First, Sean, KJ kayo ka.
Ikaw, KJ kayo ka.
No.
What's in my bag? Headband. Body butter. Mango. Mango, but it's orange. What's this? Plastic for suka. For iyal and koy-koy.
I don't suka.
Inhalers.
Hala, hapit naman niya siya.
Lotion.
Hala, natutol na gito eh.
ID.
Ah, poster.
Sunscreen.
Sila na eh, natutol.
Lipstick. Let's go,
What's in my bag?
What's up kayo?
My
Show
ID.
it. Show properly.
Headphones.
Kakisa ng headphones.
Ako. Jacket, hoodie. And then my slippers. Wipes. Masks. Our passports.
Wow.
Responsible.
Okay, ikaw, Sean, your turn.
What's in my bag? I have my cup. Alcohol. Oh, I have my shoes.
Surprise.
Medicine.
Okay, very good.
Hoodie. Hindi akong sulod. Inyong ipangatag na ako. Na yung mga electric fan, GoPro. Para suka. Shoe coat.
First, mag-rain.
Mask.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, guys. Ay, yung plastic. Plastic, what white is that?
What are you guys doing?
We're testing the
for our
microphone.
vlog.
Is it working?
Diba?
What are you doing? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
In a few minutes, ikabusuka na siya. Ba't yung...
Lisuda man mag-vlog, oy. Hi guys. Naami di karon sa barko.
Right now, we're here in San Carlos Port going to...
Toledo.
Ikaw muna
How long is the travel time?
1 hour, I believe.
Okay.
And then 2 hours to Cebu.
From
I
Toledo
believe.
to Cebu City.
Ikaw muna So,
Tell us something about yourself.
Earlier, I threw up.
Hi.
Nag-vlog pa mo?
Yeah, did you miss us?
Did you?
Zezide. We're going to SM City Seaside to eat and to meet our friends.
We feel rejuvenated.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Na-miss ako sa airport. Nag-wait na lang sa plane.
He asked ko what time is it.
What time is it?
It's 5 bitch o'clock and it's you.
Where's your camera cord?
It's in the bag.
Are you guys hungry?
Kind of.
Hi there. And we're about to eat. Beth.
Nag-upat na dito.
Wow.
Okay guys, so ako ang food. Seafood ramen. Mo ko tayo.
Porn, Jollibee,
Yakiniku beef.
chicken curry.
Kakshan.
Beef curry.
Oh, nice.
Kimchi.
Si ate.
Same with it, Mark.
Amen.
Yummy. This one is yummy. This one is very yummy. This one is not so. The corn entered my
No.
esophagus.
This one is expensive. This one is expensive. This one is expensive. How's the food? Very good. How's your food?
Yummy. Very yummy.
What is that?
Ice cream. Vanilla ice cream.
How much is that?
It's free.